Hello guys! For today's video, gagawa po tayo ng banana muffins with chocolate chips. Ang mga ingredients ay 2 hinog na saging, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup white sugar, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1/4 cup melted butter, 2 cups farina or flour, 1/2 cup chocolate chips. First guys, i-mash muna natin ating mga banana. Then, ilagay na natin eggs. I-mix well lang. Pag na-mix well na natin guys, ilagay na natin ating brown sugar at white sugar. I-mix well lang muli. Then, ilagay na natin ang ating salt, baking powder, baking soda, at yung ating flour. Salayin natin to guys para maiwasan natin ang buo-buo. After natin ma-mix well, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating butter, oil, at vanilla. I-mix well lang muli. At pag na-mix well na guys, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating chocolate chips. I-mix well lang natin muli. At pag na-mix na natin guys lahat ng ingredients, pwede na nating arrange sa ating muffin liner at baking pan. Then, pwede na nating i-bake sa init na 180 degrees centigrade sa loob ng 15 to 20 minutes. At after 15 to 20 minutes ng pagbe-bake, wala! Ready na ang ating banana muffins with chocolate chips. Madali lang, di ba guys? Try nyo na at matikman yung saling version. Thanks for watching. Ingat po kang lagi. God bless. Keep safe everyone. Bye!